Hello, it is time for an unboxing and I'm so excited about this one. This is for the Oracle Palooza 2023. If you are unaware of what that is, it is a 3-day virtual convention by Colette Baron Reid. It's every year. This year it's going to be September 15, 16, and 17. I'm not sure if tickets are still available, but you can definitely Google Oracle Palooza and find out. This is the like deluxe box or whatever. I did not get to go last year, but I did year before last. I mean, like I said, they're all virtual since COVID, but anyway, this is it. It comes in the mail. There was no like outside packaging or anything on the box, which I'm kind of bummed about because I do like to keep the boxes. I have the other ones. I'll probably tape this and keep it anyway, but I did go ahead and untape it. It says you are the magic you're looking for. It has a hoodie. And the deck that she based it off of is the Dreamweavers. So it also comes with the sticker. It also has this little keychain. An ink pen. They're like breakout times or boxes or rooms or whatever you want to call it, since it is virtual. So you get into like groups, and I think you use this for those. And then you get a candle. You get the deck, of course. Whichever deck it's based off of, that's the deck that you get in your box each year. There is a journal. And then there is a workbook, which also comes each year. It's got each day in here. So day 1 is becoming. Day 2 is aligning. And I think day 3 is co-creating. But I did take the plastic off of this already. So anyway, yeah, there it is. And I'm really excited about the whole thing. I took a personal day for the 15th, and then I'm off the 16th and 17th already, and I'm just really excited about it. Like I said, I do have the box from the year before last, and I did enroll for it, but I ended up having to miss it for some reason. I don't remember why. But it was the Enchanted Map one, and I use that deck all the time, and it's probably my most used deck and my favorite. Like if I could only have one deck, that would be it. And I'm really glad that I got the box. But this year I'm not going to miss it. I do have time off. I did take time off. I've already got a sitter lined out. And I'm excited. I love her decks. This one's definitely I would say a lot different than the ones that I generally use. But I do like the imagery. So there you go, Oracle Palooza 2023. If you're joining, then I will see you there. And if you're not, I'm sure a lot of people will be posting about it. This has lapis lazuli, solidite, citrine, apatite. Maybe if I can get it open. I'll probably put that on my purse. And then there's the little candle. Sandalwood and mugwort. It smells good. And there you have it. I hope to see you there.